and then as the train was travelling, it just veered and smacked straight bang into a truck.
And what happened to the people?
Sorry?
What happened to the people?
We saw the truck driver jump out of his car, out of the truck, and the train driver went through the windscreen, basically.
And how badly were they injured?
Fairly badly.
After the cyclone, that was the one thing that they didn't do for us.
The poor people who were on the scene first.
Right, just devastated when I saw it all happen. Waiting to see what bodies were around the main things.
So you guys helped get him in the recovery position. What did you say his chest felt like?
No, so A-double-N.
Like an broken eggshell inside his chest.
And what about his head injuries?
Ripped right open, in fact, his skull was ripped right open.
Yeah, also he had one straight down the forehead.
So you used your first aid experience to help these guys out?
To the best of our ability, yeah.
Alright.
At about 4:30 this afternoon, a major serious road crash has occurred on the Bruce Highway just north of Mount Sophia. As a result of this crash, a prime mover and trailer has been engulfed in flames, and a 15-tonne crane, the other vehicle involved in the crash, is on its side of the Bruce Highway. Traffic has been